For my last few videos, I made around 47 motion graphics. No code, no timeline, no terminal, no design degree. I paid $0 extra. Also, I did not hire an editor to create motion graphics. I opened After Effects 0 times and each one took me under 4 minutes. Let me show you exactly how. In next few minutes, I will show you 6 dead simple ways to create animated motion graphics with Claude Design. Starting with the easiest, then I will show you my repeatable system which I use for my every single video so I stay on my brand. Quick heads up, the exact prompt skill and the ready to paste prompt packs I use are all in my membership. Link in the description, but everything I show you today you can copy for free. Let's go. Here is why this is so easy. Claude Design is a design agent right inside Claude, and Design 2.0 update from Claude made it even perfect to create motion graphics. It can now use your brand, let you edit right on the canvas, and it includes in your Claude normal subscription, so you don't need to pay anything extra. To start, simply go to claude.ai and then you can click on here this design icon. Then it will open like this, and just select from template this animation. Keep in mind that Anthropic keeps moving these buttons here and there, so just find this button animation, and that's what we are going to use in this whole video. And we'll be selecting here Opus 4.8 for entire video, but you can switch it to Sonnet 5 or Fable 5 based on your credit limits. Okay, and as you can see, I created my own design system and I was creating a lot of motion graphics in last few days for my few videos. Claude Design is becoming so popular and go-to tool for many people because it offers lot of features right inside your Claude subscription. For example, this animation feature any other famous LLMs don't offer. Method 1 of creating motion graphics is fastest and the simplest, and I believe you will use this method the most. I found there are 4 websites where you can find the pre-built animation. So instead of writing from scratch, you can find the animation which you like. Let's say we go to this website, React Video Editor, and then we can go to content animation, and let's say we like this. So instead of creating from scratch, there is option here to copy, and then you can go to Claude Design, paste it here. So as you can see, we have this pasted text, and then you can put the prompt like this. I will paste all the prompts in my membership community, so it's very cheap to join my membership program, less than your coffee. So please join, where you can find all these prompts ready to made. And I pasted here prompt like use this template exactly as the base, but make these changes. Change the word research to study. So as you can see, there are research, design, build and launch. So we'll be changing the word from research to study, design to Claude Design 2.0, launch to publish, and I will select here Opus 4.8 and then just execute. By the way, I paste this all website link in the description tab, so you can save it for yourself and you can use it. This is one of the best websites. Perfect. Within just 1 minute, we got this. As you can see, it changed the wordings based on what we required, and it's changed to my brand color as well. And if you don't like it, then you can simply click on edit. Let's say you want to change it something, you can simply change it by clicking. It's very easy. Right now, I don't want to change anything, so that's fine. And also you can tweak it and you can describe your tweak whatever you want to tweak it, but it's super simple. And now the second example in the method 1 is that currently we just use this one, right? And now I would like to merge 2 templates and then I would like to make it into one animation. Let me show you how you can do it. Guys, this is power move. Let's say we would like to combine this text highlight and the rotating carousel. I will not change the text for now. I will show you the example. So I opened this text highlight. I will copy this. Go to Claude Design. In the template A, I will paste the first one. In the template 2, I will copy this one, paste here. Then I will paste the prompt. So I already prepared the prompt for this, which I'll paste here. I'm giving you 2 templates pasted above. Combine them into one sequence. Play template A first, then transition into template B. And I provided my background and the brand color. Again, we'll select Opus 4.8 and let's see. You can combine multiple templates as well based on your own requirements. All right, we got the result. Let's play. And as you can see, it's working fine. The first part. In the second part, it's not rotating, right? And I'll be very honest with you guys because I don't want to lie. In this kind of motion graphics animation creation, this happens. This is very, very common. You can simply go to chat and describe that this is not working and copy this text again. It will work for sure, right? You can try it out. Don't expect that within one go you will get always final product. You just need to play around with that. That's the reality. So method 2 is very interesting. Let's say you love one animation but you don't have a template. So what you will do? You just take a screenshot from it. Let's say we love this animation. That's from my past video. And now we'll take screenshot of the first frame, one middle frame, right, and the last frame, right, and then we'll paste into Claude Design and we'll ask in the plain English that recreate this animation based on this our screenshot. All right, in Claude Design I pasted 3 screenshots: the first frame, middle frame and the last frame. And this time I will not select Kenil design system, so I will just clear it. and then I will paste this prompt. Use this 3 attach screenshot as keyframe for 5 seconds, 16:9 animation. Screenshot 1 is the opening frame, screenshot 2 is the middle frame, and the screenshot 3 is the final frame. And this time I'm saying choose some different color, so surprise me. And then I will just execute. So what it will do, it will take 3 screenshot, the first frame, middle frame, and the end frame, and it will try to recreate the exact animation which we just saw. We got the results, guys, and I'm impressed. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? We just took screenshot and explained in the plain English what we want and built it exactly. And this time it took different colors because I asked it specifically to choose random color for me. That's amazing. I'm so impressed with this. Generating motion graphics is first step. But if you cannot download this as a MP4, then what's the use, right? So how you can download this? Just click on the share, and here you have multiple options. You can download this as a MP4, PDF. We don't need PDF for this, PowerPoint, or Project HTML. For now, I will just click on the video MP4, and it will ask for original size, 2x size, 4x size. I will just right now say original size and just click on the export. So it will export video directly into your download folder, and then you can use it in your video or wherever you need to use. Quick note before I show you 4 interesting methods to create motion graphics. If you run a business or teams, and if you want your people use AI properly in ChatGPT, Codex, Gemini, Anti-Gravity, Notebook LM, Claude Code, or any other AI tools, I offer customized AI training programs. I can provide these trainings online, in-person workshop, half-day intensive, full-day intensive, whether you are in Germany, across Europe, or wherever in the world. I also do AI workflow automation and one-to-one consulting so your business runs efficiently. You can find all details in the email in the description tab in the pinned comment. Just contact me and we'll find the best way for your business. Method 3 is my favorite one for the talking head videos like this, because I'm content creator, so I have a lot of talking head videos, and if I upload video only with the talking head, then my videos become boring, right? That's why content creators like me make animated motion graphics when there are a lot of talking head videos. So I'll paste this prompt, create a sequence short animated motion graphic that match this timestamp transcript, and here I will paste the transcript. So I take example of one of my hook, so I will paste it here, and I will ask him to create the animated motion graphics for this transcript video. Okay, and I will execute. Okay, I like this part of the Claude Design. It's not always making assumption, right? It asking quick questions on the animated sequence. How granular should be the scene be, right? One scene per SRT block. How should it play? One continuous timeline that auto plays and loops. I will select timeline with scrubber control. I will select randomly. Let's see how it looks like, right? And then which single state should be the hardest? I will say 1 million user, and I will just execute. But you can give answers more precisely, right? I just select randomly to see the result because we don't want to waste time on selecting and thinking about the answers. We got the result literally within 2 minutes. Let me play it in front of you. That's amazing, guys. It built 18-second animated motion graphics based on our just transcript, and that's why I'm falling in love with Claude Design, and that's my go-to tool for my all videos to create animated motion graphics. That's so powerful that within just few minutes it creates animated motion graphics, which is really amazing, better than many editors create manually. Before I show you most powerful methods out of 6, method 5 and method 6, let me show you in the method 4 how you can design it like you are using Canva, right? So let me select, let's say, tweaks. Okay, I will discard it here, tweaks, and I will change it color from this golden or orange to blue. And if you play it here, everything here, as you can see, it's blue color. We can change it to orange. If we go here, we can change it to, we can remove this Figma motion editor, right? And here if you select edit, then you can simply select, click through it, you can add the text, you can select the frame and what you want to change. In the pro section, there are a lot of options to add the components as well. I don't want to go into detail because it's very personal to everyone, so you can try it by yourself. All right, method 5 is super simple, guys, but really powerful and really practical, because not always we have template which we can take it as a reference. Not always we have transcript which we can paste into Claude Design and make it animation. Not always we can take screenshot because we don't have the reference video, but sometimes we just want to describe in a plain English in the chat. Will it work? Of course, yes, because not always we need to take the difficult approach. Sometimes we just take it the simplest approach and it generate really good output. So like always, you can just open Claude Design, select your design system, paste the prompt, the simple prompt. Let's say create a 10-second animated motion graphic celebrating hitting 100,000 subscribers, big bold count up numbers, lens up with confetti, burst, background, and whatever the color you want. And you can simply, for this kind of design, select Sonnet 5 and then just execute. All right, look at the result. As you can see, we use this time Sonnet 5 and it works totally fine. It will consume far less tokens compared to Opus 4.8, and that's what I was saying, guys. Not always you need reference or heavy lifting task. You can simply describe in plain English and you can generate this kind of motion graphics easily. Guys, it's time for method 6, most powerful method out of all 6, and it's something personal to me because, as you know, I'm content creator who create videos for YouTube and Instagram, and that's why I need this kind of prompts to generate motion graphics almost every day, and I cannot waste time to write these prompts every day for this kind of motion graphics. So I built repeatable system that writes prompt for me based on my script. I just need to provide script or the part of the script and it create automatically prompts for me, which I just need to paste into Claude Design 2.0 and it builds amazing motion graphics for you. Let me show you the skill which I create. I will paste the entire skill in the membership program, so join it today and you will find all skills, all prompts which I create in this video and in all upcoming videos. And guys, it's far cheaper than your cup of coffee. So let me show you skills which I created inside Claude. And by the way, if you don't know skills and any other concept about Claude, I created full detailed video about explaining every Claude Code concept for normal people, no tech background in it. I highly recommend that you watch it from here if you are using Claude in every day. Okay, in the skills, as you can see, I have a lot of skills which I used almost every day, and I created one skill called Kenil MG prompt writer. Basically, it's my motion graphics prompt writer. So every time when I need to generate prompt, I just use this skill and tell, okay, build motion graphics for this script, and it build all prompts for entire my script, right? Literally 10 to 15 motion graphics per script. And as you can see, it's detailed with my brand color and all different details. And as I mentioned, guys, if you need these skills, then I will paste into my membership program. You can copy it from there, join it today, and you will find a lot of perks over there, right? So let me show you example. So by the way, skills cannot be used into Claude Design, so we will be using Claude Chat to create prompt, and the prompt which we will pasting into Claude Design 2.0. All right, to use a skill, we will use backslash and then Kenil MG prompt writer. Then I will say use this skill, and for this transcript, create motion graphics. Okay, and I created this script which is from my old video about lead generation, and I will just execute. Now what it will do, it will analyze this whole script which I just packaged here, and using this skill it will provide us the prompt for the Claude Design. And how you can use it in a more powerful way. Let's say you would like to build this motion graphics prompts for your complete script, paste your entire script of 15, 20, 50 minutes and mention in the Claude that, okay, use this script, analyze this script and provide me the complete motion graphics prompts which I can use in the Claude Design. Then it will give you all the prompts right inside the chat which you can directly paste into Claude Design and build amazing motion graphics. Look at this, guys. We just pasted this small script, and based on that it created 4 types of different motion graphics based on the time frame, right? And now you just need to copy it, go to Claude Design and then paste it and select your own design system if you have it. If not, then it's fine, and select here animation and then just execute. You nailed it, guys. You now know how you can easily create animated motion graphics with Claude Design 2.0. It's deadly simple. Try it today and tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite, and if you want more detailed video, then tell me in the comment section so I will create that kind of video in the future. And if you learned something new today, if you enjoy my content, then hit the like, hit the subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you'll never miss my video in the future. I will see you in the next one.